So again, I, Anjum Bhati Nirban, welcomes you to join the class of English Literature. Students, as you all know, we have completed our very first chapter of English. Today, I'm going to start second chapter, that is Pride and Prejudice. This is an extract taken from novel Pride and Prejudice, written by Jane Austen. In this particular novel, she wrote about relation, neighborhood, and community. Before starting this chapter, I would like to show you the main characters of this comic. Have a look. So, class, as you can see over here, Pride and Prejudice. This is a novel, and the comic we are going to read is the extract of this novel. Okay, the meaning of extract is a part of this novel. So the character of this novel is Bennet family and Bingley family. In Bennet family, there are Mr. Bennet, Mrs. Bennet, and their daughters. They have four daughters: Jane Bennet, Elizabeth Bennet, Mary Bennet, and Kitty Bennet. And in their neighborhood, the Bingley family live, where Mr. Bingley and his two sisters. Okay, and they also they have a friend, Mr. Darcy. Okay, class. So they are the main character of this comic. Without further delay, let's comic get started. Let get started. Ever since his arrival in the neighborhood, Mrs. Bennet fondly hoped that her eldest daughter Jane would attract the attention of the wealthy Mr. Bingley. Okay, class, first I would like to tell you that Mr. Bingley is a very wealthy person. And so in their neighborhood, there were a family of Bingley who lived there along with his two sisters, as I have told you. Okay, so they called Bennet family for dinner. As you can see over here, this is Bennet family, and they got an invitation from the uh, Bingley family. Okay, so she means Mrs. Bennet was very much excited, and she sent one of her daughter for the party. Behind this, she had a motive. She had a motive, and which kind of motive? That the family of Bingley would see her and impressed of her. Okay, and actually क्या होता था उस टाइम पे क्या होता था ये लोग तो बेनेट फैमिली तो रिच नहीं थी लेकिन बिंजली फैमिली बहुत रिच थी and the mother wanted that her daughter got married to Mr. Bingley. That's why she sent her. Okay, so during those days, people were not literate, and as you can see, she is Mrs. Bennet, and she was a very illiterate lady, and she was very cunning in this way that she wants her daughters married to a rich family. So in this motive, she sent her elder daughter to Mr. Bingley's family. So next, well, Jan, who is it from? What is it about? What does he say? Make haste and tell us. Now, here is the invitation. Here's the letter. So, and the Mr. Bennett is asking that who is there? Who sent us invitation? Okay, they're discussing here about. So the letter is, my dear friend, if you are not so compassionate as to dine today with Lucy and me, we shall be in danger of hating each other for the rest of our lives. For a whole day's tete-a-tete between two women and can never end without a quarrel. Okay, come as soon as you can. On receipt of this, my brother and the gentleman are to dine with the officer. So that was the invitation for the Bennet family. Okay, class. So after receiving the letter, Mrs. Bennet was very much excited. So here you can say she is excited. So, mother, may I have the carriage when I go? Now here, mother, in very first line, they have said that she said she was very excited to send her daughter. Okay. So now the daughter is asking, Jan is asking that, mother, may I go to Mr. Bingley's family? So the daughter is asking to her mother, Mother, may I have the carriage when I go? Now mother is saying, no, my dear, you better go on horseback. Now here the intention of mother is, it seems like to rain and then you must stay all night. So class, here what the mother said, no. Why she said no? Actually, she was playing a strategy over there. She was thinking that instead of sending her carriage, she would send her on horseback. That time was about to rain, क्योंकि उस टाइम पे बारिश होने वाली थी. Okay, that time, okay, so she thought that her daughter would not be able to come back. तो उसने क्या सोचा, अगर वो जाएगी और बारिश में भीग जाएगी तो वो फैमिली मेंबर्स क्या होंगे, उसे वहीं रोक लेंगे, तो इसको ये वापस नहीं आएगी उसी दिन. ओके, तो अपना टाइम स्पेंड कर पाएगी वहां पर. तो दैट वाज द इंटेंशन ऑफ हर मदर. ओके, बिकॉज ऑफ रेन, एंड दिस वाज द अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर हर दैट डॉटर कुड स्टे at Mr. Binjley's house for more time. And so she made an excuse that your father, as you can see over here, that she made an excuse that your father has but my dear, your father cannot spare the horses. So she made an excuse that your father has not more than more horses, so it is better than you took one horse, okay, and go on that horse. Next is, a little after Jan left home, it began to rain hard. The rain continued the whole evening without intermission. Jan certainly could not come back. Her sister was uneasy for her, but her mother was delighted that her plan had worked so well. So after some time, Jan had left home. According to the plan of Mrs. Bennet, it was raining hardly. जैसा कि Mrs. Bennet ने सोचा था, अगर वो हॉर्स पे जाएगी और रेन होने ही वाली, अबाउट टू रेन, तो क्या होगा, वो भीग जाएगी, गिली हो जाएगी, और इसके लिए क्या होगा, वो वहीं स्टे कर जाएगी. किसके घर पर? मिस्टर बेनेट के घर पर, सॉरी, बिंजले के घर पर. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू हर प्लान, it was raining hardly, so she means Jane couldn't come on that day. Her sister was worried about it, but the mother was very happy that her plan had worked very well. So class, in next day, they received a letter by Jane, by her daughter, because she was not able to go her house on that night. So the letter was the next day: my dearest Lizzie, I find myself very unwell this morning, which I suppose is to be imputed to my getting wet through yesterday. My kind friends will not hear of my returning till I am better. They insist also on my seeing Mr. Jones. Therefore, do not be alarmed if you should hear of his having been to me and expecting a sore throat and headache. There is not much the matter with me. Yours ever, Jan Bennett. Means Jan has sent a letter to her mother and her sister that she was not well. That's why she could stay there. Okay. So here, Mrs. Bennet was, sorry, Mr. Bennet was very depressed and worried about his daughter. He is Mr. Bennet, okay, the father of Jan. So, well, my dear, if Jan falls dangerously ill or dies, now he's saying that कि अगर मेरी बेटी को कुछ हो गया और वो वहां उसे कुछ हो जाता है, it would be a comfort to know that it was all in pursuit of Mr. Bingley. So here Mr. Bennet was worried for Mrs. Bingley and his daughter, and he's saying that his daughter might not fall die और at that case of Mr. Bingley, यानी उसकी डॉटर क्या है, मिस्टर बिंजली के घर पर बीमार हो गई, और ये अच्छा नहीं है मिस्टर बिंजली के लिए. But mother means Mrs. Bennet was not thinking in that way, and she is saying that, oh, people do not die or little trifling cold. She will be well taken care of there. Actually, she was very happy because she wanted the same. Okay, that's why she is saying she will be good, take care of good by them. Okay, then Elizabeth, feeling anxious, was determined to go to her sister. Now here Elizabeth is very determined for her sister. She is very worried about her. That's why the carriage was not available, and as she was no horsewoman, walking was her only alternative. Here there's a discussion between Elizabeth and her mother. Elizabeth is the sister of Jane. How can you be, oh sorry, I shall be fit to see Jan, which is all I want. Now mother is saying, how can you be so silly? You will not be fit to be seen when you get there. Now here what happening that according to the mother's plan, okay, that's the plan was that she was not worried and told them that her daughter would be taken care by the Bingley's family. Now there is Elizabeth, sister of Jane. She was very anxious and worried about her, okay, and told her mother that she would go to Jane. As the carriage was not available and she was not how a horsewoman, okay, उसे नहीं चलाना, horse riding नहीं आती थी, so she decided to go on by her foot only, okay. तो उसने क्या सोचा कि मेरे पास ना कोई carriage है और ना ही मैं horse rider हूँ, तो मैं क्या करूंगी, मेरी sister को लेने जा रही हूँ और by foot only, okay, by walking मैं चली जाऊंगी. Is this a hint to me, Lizzie, to send for the horses? ओके, तो यहाँ क्या हो रहा है, फादर इज सेइंग दैट क्या ये हिंट मेरे लिए है कि मैं आप मुझे ले जाना चाह रहे हो. नो, आई डोंट विश टू अवॉइड द वॉक. द डिस्टेंस इज नथिंग व्हेन वन हैज अ मोटिव, ओनली 3 miles. आई शैल बी बैक बाय डिनर. Okay, so after asking the father, the younger daughter means Elizabeth has replied, no, I am not thinking like that. मुझे नहीं, आपको नहीं ले जाना है, ना ही मैं हॉर्स लेकर जा रही हूँ, मैं बाय वॉक चली जाऊंगी. I will only go by walking. The distance is not so far. It is only 3 miles away from here. So I will be back by dinner. Don't worry about me. So Elizabeth is ready to go. Okay. So as a whole day, the rain, it was raining. Okay. Rain हुई जा रही थी, तो she became very dirty because of rain with her muddy clothes, and she reached Bingley's house. Who reached? Elizabeth. Elizabeth क्या करती है, बड़ी डर्टी कंडीशन में, एज यू कैन सी ओवर हियर, किसके घर पर पहुंच जाती है, बिंजले फैमिली के घर पे, क्योंकि उसकी सिस्टर अभी वही है. Now, class, this is the scene of Bingley's family. Okay, Mr. Bingley, his two sister, and Mr. His friend. Okay, so class, here you can see she is very dirty, and the Bingley family was surprised to see her. All of them feel pitied by the condition of Elizabeth as she was in dirty clothes. Now, the sister of Mr. Bingley is saying, "Oh my," means she is very surprised to see her, and that condition was very bad at that time. Now, on the other side, Mr. Bingley's sister took Elizabeth to meet Jen. Okay, so Jen had slept badly and was too ill to leave her room. Jen, as I have told you, Jen has got the fever, and then the doctor arrived and confirmed that Jen had caught a violent cold. On the other side, I'm explaining you that on the other side, Jen had slept because she was ill and even couldn't leave the room. Miss Bingley took Elizabeth to her. After some time, the doctor arrived and confirmed that Jen was suffering from the violent cold. In next situation, he advised, means the doctor advised Jen to stay in bed. Advice that was followed readily, for Jane's fever had increased and her had itches acutely. Means here acutely means too much. So class, as the doctor advised her that to stay there only. Okay. In fact, not to go anywhere. In fact, not to leave the room. Okay. When the clock struck 3, Elizabeth felt that she must go home. अब क्या हो गया, बहुत ज्यादा टाइम हो गया उन्हें बैठे हुए, अब 3 o'clock हो गए थे. Now Elizabeth is worried about her family. Now she's about to go, then her sister said that please don't go from there. Yani Jen is saying that please don't go, and Elizabeth is worried because she has promised to her mother that she will come by the time of dinner. Miss Bingley was obliged to invite Elizabeth to remain in at Netherfield for the present. Now, मिस बिंजले जो कौन है, मिस्टर बिंजले की सिस्टर है, तो यहाँ पर उसने भी इंसिस्ट किया कि आप मत जाइए, आप यहीं रुक सकते हैं, अपनी सिस्टर का ध्यान रख सकते हैं. Now the sister agreed the invitation. I'm staying right here, Jen. Now she's saying that I'm staying right here, Jen. A servant was duly sent to Longbourn to bring back a supply of clothes. Longbourn is a place where Bennet family lived. यानी ये दो सिस्टर जहाँ रहती थी, तो वहां से उनके लिए एक सर्वेंट भेज दिया गया उनके ड्रेस उनके लिए लेने के लिए. So class, this is the first part of the comic, and second part means remaining part we will be continue in our next class. Okay, till then, read this comic your own also and try to understand it more better. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.